Kim Kardashian. It just smells like weighted.
I would give my booty the hives. I'm allergic.
I'm gonna listen to those goddamn answers.
Latte. I got almond milk and all sugar. Okay.
So I'm gonna make a funny face,
Right.
and I'm gonna hold it.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it. This might be designated for doing art, Adobe Premiere or Procreate. And one area might be designated specifically for music. I may also have like a computer set up just to do lectures and presentation and all.
And I know you do consultations, you know?
Yeah, because I mean,
tell me about that, because you know, if you were gonna consult me, what would you say? You know?
Well, I don't know, man. I just like the fact that when you Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.